In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Discord role after checkout in Whop. If you've just bought access to a community or product and you're wondering how to get your Discord role, this walkthrough will take you from start to finish with clear, simple steps. First, head to the Whop website and make sure you're signed into the same account you used at checkout. From the home page, look to the top right and click your profile icon. That opens a quick menu where you'll see a small settings gear. Click that to open your account settings. Inside settings, find the section called Connected Accounts. This is where Whop links to services like Discord so your purchase can automatically grant the right permissions. Scroll until you see Discord in the list, then click Add next to it. A Discord authorization window will appear. Confirm you're on the correct Discord account, review the permissions, and then click Authorize. You might be asked to complete a quick verification. If the window doesn't show, check for a blocked pop-up or try again with any ad blockers paused for this step. Once Discord is connected, return to Whop and go to Orders. Open the product you purchased. Inside that order page, look for the Discord app and click it. This action is what triggers the server join and role sync. If you're not already in the server, Whop will join you automatically. If you're already a member, it will refresh your access and apply the correct role based on your purchase. Give it a moment for the role to appear in Discord. If it doesn't show right away, reopen your order and click the Discord app again. Ensure you're still authorized in connected accounts, and double-check you're using the same Discord account you just linked. Sometimes it can take a minute for the sync to finish. That's it. By connecting Discord in your Whop settings and then launching the Discord app from your order, your role should be assigned automatically after checkout.